Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one mini project. This mini project you will get in multiple video, maybe 2 or 3. So try to watch one by one. Okay, so this one is a small mini project we can say. So let me design here because some of the student is having the doubts and some confusion. So what we will do, we will start from the scratch. Okay, we will not use the ready-made topology. We are going to start from the scratch. We can say this is a mini project. So if you see here, what I will do, I will take this router, okay, 2811. I am taking this 3 router, we can say here 1, here 1, here 1, 3 router, and we will take 3 switch. This is one switch here, this is one switch here, this is one switch here. And I will take the cable. This is the automatic cable. Take this one, connect here, connect here, connect here. Connect this one, connect here. If you see ports are not available, so we need to increase the port because in this router you have only 2 ports. How you know? If you keep your mouse, you can see fast Ethernet 0 by 0, 0 by 1. Only 2 ports are available. Or you can log in and check also. If you see here, I hope you remember how we can check how many interface we have in this router. Physically you can look how many you have. If you don't have physical access, you can write show IP interface brief. You can see only 2 interface you have here, these 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will add more. So how we will add? We need to buy from the Cisco the card and switch off this router, and whatever card you buy you can insert here. So now here in the packet tracer directly we can drag and drop. So I will do this one. So see, I am taking this one. If you see, description of this card is written here. I can just drag and drop here. So now I have the 2 fast Ethernet. Before I have 2, now I have 4. Same thing I can do for this router also. Go here and zoom in, switch off the router, take this card. You can read here what description they are giving and drag and drop here and power on the router. Okay, and then we can connect. So I can connect now here. If you see, I am connecting fast Ethernet 1 by 1 to fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So everything is okay, and we can say this will connect here. Cable cannot connect, something because here also we don't have port. So let me increase the port here also. So what I will do, I will switch off the router. I will drag and drop the ports and I will power on the router. This router we did not power on, I will power on now. Now let me connect. So what we can say, we have the, now imagine the scenario like you have the head office, branch office. Okay, so we will take any scenario. Anyhow, let me put here, I will say this is a R1, this is R2, this is R3. This one I can say this is a SW1, switch 1, this is switch 2, this one is a switch 3. Okay, and we will take some computers. If you see, this is the PCs. I can take 2 PC for head office, 2 PC for branch office, 2 PC for other branch office, and we will take some server also here. And now we will take the cable and we will connect these devices to the switch. Same thing here also. Same thing here. So this is a mini project. You can say here, in this one we have the 3 different location. We are connecting the 3 different location with the help of ISP. So ISP will play the role. In between we will have the ISP network. This is our company network. We are connecting to the ISP here. ISP network will be there from here to here. We are not talking about the ISP. ISP will be responsible. He is putting the cable from the country to country and also from the city to city. We will not put, we will ask ISP, we need the connection. ISP give you the connection, you will connect. Depending upon which connection you are taking, like you will take the L2 connection or layer 3 MPLS, whatever you are taking, they will give you that one. So now I am taking here L2 connection. So ISP told me assign any IP, configure any routing protocol. So it is connected to the layer 2 switch. it look like directly connected. So we can use whatever IP we need and we can do that configuration. So if you need, I can put some color here to make more attractive. We can say this green color representing our head office. Okay. And if you need some more sky color, we can say this is representing our branch office 1. And we can take maybe yellow to represent other branch office. So I can say this is my other branch office. Okay. So here I have head office. This one I can write. HO I will write. So you can understand head office. And here I can represent branch office 1. Here I will write branch office 2. And IP schema, our wish, I will use here example. Here in between the R1 and R2, that is a head office and the branch office 1, I am going to use the IP address 192.168.12.0/24. Okay. Our wish, whatever you want to use, because ISP told you to use your IP only because you taken the layer 2 circuit from the ISP. Okay. You taken the layer 2 circuit from the ISP. They told whatever IP you want to assign, you can assign whatever routing protocol you want to run, you can run. And here I am taking the router number in, if you see this third position, this is R1, this is R2, that's why I am taking 12, but you can take anything, whatever you want. So here I will write 192.168.13.0/24. So this site will be 13.1, this site will be 13.2. And here I will write 192.168. What is the number shall we give? 32 or 23.0/24. Okay, any confusion? No doubts, right? And here we can give like 192.168.1.1/24. Here will be 192.168.2.1/24. We will assign this IP to this interface. And here will be 192.168.3.1. Okay, so this will be the gateway to all this LAN network. This will be the gateway to all this LAN network. And this will be the gateway to all this LAN network. Okay, so let me put here the IP. We will use 192.168.1.2 here. Let me assign the IP. Already you know, just click that, go to desktop, click IP config and press paste here. Gateway as we told 1.1, so give here 1.1. This way we will assign the IP address. Later we will use the DHCP server, so we can get the IP from the DHCP. If you go here, and here we will put 1.1. Let me put here 1.4. Let me put here 1.1. Okay, here will be 1.5. Just I am putting label, then I am assigning the IP to the machine. Because some student is requesting to do from the scratch, so I am doing everything. Okay, so here will be 2.2, so I will paste this inside the machine. I will go here, I will assign the IP here, and gateway as we told, this should be 2.1. Okay, and same thing here 2.3. Here we can go here and assign here 2.3, so we can put here 2.1. And what else you have here? Here will be 3.2. This is the label. Now I am going to assign the IP. So here I can put 3.1. Let me put here 3.3. I will put this here and then let paste here 3.1. Okay, so just we assign the IP address. Now we need to do the configuration. What configuration you prefer? You can use EIGRP or OSPF or whatever. Like if you want to run BGP, whatever the routing protocol you want to run, you can run. So in our next class, we are going to do that one. Okay. In this class, what we done, we assign the First we create the topology. We told we have the head office, branch office 1, branch office 2, and we design the IP schema, we assign the IP. So in our next class we will do the configuration. If you see, if this PC is pinging from, means this PC is trying to access this PC 2.2, it will not work. Why? Because we don't have the connectivity. Still we did not configure the routing protocol, that's why it is not going to work. If you see here, this machine is trying to talk with this machine, it will not work because we don't have the routing protocol. Here this route will not share to this router, this router, this router. These routes will not share because we are not using any routing protocol. We need to use the routing protocol so router can exchange the network. Okay. So in our next class we will do that one. Thank you. Bye.